Hi everyone, welcome to Frank Talk on Mortgages. I'm Don Scott, the CEO of Frank Mortgage. Today we're going to talk about how family members can help you qualify for a mortgage if you're unable to do so on your own. There are a few different ways that this is done in the market. One of the most common ones is a gift of money, a gifted down payment. So in a circumstance where you don't have enough funds to have the required minimum down payment, or perhaps because the loan amount is so large, you don't qualify for the mortgage, the ratios are too high. A larger down payment can bring down that mortgage balance, allowing you to qualify. So those gifted funds can be used for that down payment. We most commonly see that with parents giving money to their children to help them enter the housing market. The other ways are contractual obligations that don't involve any exchange of money. The first is being a co-signer. When someone signs on to be a co-signer, they're signing the mortgage contract as though they were a co-borrower with you. So they sign that contract and they end up being on legal title as someone who's signed on to the mortgage. And so they will be obligated legally to make mortgage payments if you're unable to do it yourself. But where it really helps is in the underwriting with the lender. This is best in a circumstance, let's say, where you can qualify for a mortgage because your credit score is strong and it's a good property and that sort of thing, but your income's not enough to carry the mortgage and to qualify and get your ratios down to the level that lenders want to see them at. So you can bring in a co-signer who's got good income and low debt, and they can be added to the file with you, improving the overall amount of income that's available to service the debt and qualifying for the mortgage. The other one is a legal obligation as well, but it's called being a guarantor. In that one, they don't sign on to the mortgage and they don't end up on title, but they have a legal contract with the lender that effectively says if you don't make your payment, they're going to make it for you. So in that case, it's helpful maybe where you have enough money to carry the mortgage, but maybe your credit score is too low, or maybe you're young and you haven't established credit yet, and this guarantor has very strong credit and can boost the application through that and allow you to qualify for the mortgage. So those latter two are both legal obligations. You really need to make sure you get legal advice if you're considering those things, so please do that. And also get mortgage advice to talk about these options, to find out what might work best for you. So you should talk to a mortgage broker to get professional advice on that, and we'd be happy to help you with those things. You can come to Frank Mortgage, www.frankmortgage.com, or call us on the number on the screen and speak to one of our mortgage experts who would be delighted to help you. This is Frank Talk on Mortgage. I'm Don Scott. Thanks for watching.